Hello everyone, my name is Tường, Chi-KG3. I'm 5 years old. Today I will tell you a story. Don't hiccup. Every day is a big surprise. Don't go copy. Don't enter a copy pizza. See you sing on a television. Hat. Oh no! John is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I had hiccup. Mom gives the scare. Surprise! Hat. But John still had hiccup. Put your finger in your ear. Hat. But John still had hiccup. Slam some lemon. But don't still have hiccup. Ring it.
A nut
Give a water.
a lot than a glass of water.
The nun give them a water. Ring it upside down. Don't hiccup. Go. She is happy. She comb her hair. If music plays, she sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd sounds. Bye bye.
Đọc lại. They crowd.
The crowd sound and cheer.
Bye bye.
Bye.